Hello everybody, I'm Reva Godfrey. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Your Mouth. Today I'm going to be making a green vegan smoothie using the safety and comfort of my own mouth. Now I don't have a blender or one of those bullet contraption things, so let's get straight to it. I'm going to start with the banana, the world's most appealing fruit. Folding your lips over your teeth, begin to mush the banana inside his skin, as if you were playing a harmonica. Once the banana's reached a soft consistency, rip the end off and squeeze it out like the end of the toothpaste. Perfect. Mushed banana. Now a little tip for you to check the freshness of a cucumber. The louder the crack when you break it in two, the fresher it is. It's a very fresh one. Bite off the end and then use your middle finger as a corkscrew to take out the seeds. And to get rid of any final unwanted seeds, just give it a little blow. There we go, cucumber ready. Once de-seeded, chew it up into a fine pulp. I think I bit off more than I can chew. Now for the spinach, full of iron. Just for fun, I like to play a game of fluffy bunnies and fit as much as possible in my mouth. I feel healthier already. From this to that, via my mouth. How remarkable. Ginger is my favourite root. Although it burns, it's full of medicinal properties, which makes the whole process very satisfying. You will want to give up, but you have to keep pushing through the pain. It will hurt so much. My tongue feels alive. I am alive. No pain, no gain. Now for the apple. Put your two front molars deep into the skin and start rotating the apple 360 degrees like a barrel. Make sure to take all of the apple skin off because it's a very unhygienic part of the fruit. Very proud of these. Move to the right and begin again. A finished, very well peeled apple. Now I'm just going to embrace it, chew it, and extract the juices. It's so nice, it's tempting to swallow, but you must keep your smoothie in mind. Now for the pineapple. Such an elegant and exotic specimen. Best thing to do is hold it like a chicken drumstick and simply bite into the side. So juicy. I'm really just sucking the juices out now, deep from the center of the pineapple. Now that's all of our layers complete. I now just need to mix my fruit together. I'll use the cucumber as a plunger and start binding these flavors. I'm going to top the smoothie up with bottled water because I don't trust the water from the tap. Embrace my cucumber once more. Smells absolutely wonderful. I've got one of my special glasses for a special smoothie. I'm just going to pour it in. Delicious. I've made the perfect amount. And then I'm just going to finish it off with a piece of cucumber, some mint, and some hemp seeds. And there we go, my mouth-watering, mouth-made green vegan smoothie. Delicious.